Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look again here at TIA Celestia. Going to see exactly what's going on here and just talk about the potential for retracement. If this is the highest high, then we could expect the price to pull back. So again, there's a lot of ifs here, but the key takeaway is that we're going to find out what the Fibonacci retracement levels look like, and of course help understand best practice and big picture in situations like this. Because again, as I mentioned previously, there was 3 white soldiers, printed a 4th red day. Well, it wasn't the prettiest 4th red day. Today's been a significant swing upwards. Now this is quite the fake out. If you look at this here, price comes all the way up here, pulls all the way back down to here, and it comes up to here, and it basically gives us a gravestone doji candle, leading us to believe the price is going to pull back, and it continues higher. That's just how deceptive the market can be. So please be mindful of just anything and everything, and for goodness sake, stop using high leverage and stop following those folks that are just getting you wrecked because you want what they've got, and they're probably only sharing with you the occasional win, right? Okay, so again, just for friendly advice, be careful with that. Okay, what I want to talk about is not much on the daily, because truth is we don't have enough data to be able to kind of look at that. No moving averages are really kind of starting to average out. We're going to see some large term moves here. Once again, 3 white soldiers followed by a 4th red day, and against a swift recovery here. So we're going to focus more so on the 4-hour and the time frames below, just to kind of get perspective there. But if we take a look here, we can see we came up to this level here, roughly about 0.236, came back down right to that Fibonacci level and bounced up. So you can kind of see here too, if we take a look at the volume profile, the price kind of bounced off this lower volume profile. We got a decent amount of volume between $3.70 and $4. So again, that kind of helped us get that little bounce, a more recent high effectively, working as the most recent low. It's not perfect or exact, but for the most part, you can experience that to be a situation in trading. In other words, right here at 0.382, if you will, you can see this guy here. Zoom in a little bit for you. This most recent high is going to work as a potential low here moving forward. In other words, the price comes back down, it very well could bounce off that level and continue higher. Okay, so again, just some friendly advice. That's usually what that looks like. Previous highs turn into new lows, and the inverse as well. We do have a fair value gap here, we want to be mindful of. Coincidentally, the price action could come down and bounce perfectly off that level, based on that being somewhat of the exact fair value here that's left on the table. If we take a quick look at the 1 hour, this is where things are a little bit more, I wouldn't say profound, but more just easier to identify, because again, we don't have a ton of data just yet. We take a look at the hourly, we can kind of note that the Ichimoku cloud, kind of the first and foremost indicator I like to use for confirmation, has this awesome breakout. So basically, if you have a long position open right now, it's not saying to close your long position. You have all green lights to leave it open. We're above the cloud, version line above the baseline, and we're free and clear on the back end here too. So truth is, this could continue and should continue to run. If it doesn't run, here's what the levels might look like if the price pulls back. Keep in mind, it's almost always consistent when Elliott Wave has these continuation patterns. If this is the top and the price does pull back, we'll see 0.382, exactly that same level where the price action hit its high recently. We identified that. So 552, I think, is a solid bouncing point. But secondary and tertiary to that, we're looking at 0.5 at roughly about 527 and 502 even. Okay. So again, those are 3 levels to kind of focus on, pay attention to if you're considering another long position if the price were to pull back. Okay, so keep in mind, making higher highs and higher lows, absolutely on the right track here. And there's nothing really holding the price action back at this point. We also want to take a quick look at the moving averages and confirm we're above all 4. This is fantastic news. Being back up over the 50-day SMA is important. While we did have that aggressive wick down, we're still honoring this ascending trend for the most part. Okay, so we had a little bit of a reset there. That's a bit of a fake out there. Probably got a bunch of people to shake out any of the longs. And then, of course, market movers take the price and run with it. Okay, a really consistent, normal cryptocurrency stuff here. Manipulation, check. Overextension, check. Completely nonsensical, check. It's all there, right? But the truth is here, there's a lot of bullish activity, and when we take a look at the money flow index coming up, and obviously the RSI being up there as well, within a nice range between 50 and 70, this has much more potential to break this resistance and to run and to reuse that as a new support. So if price comes up, we're likely to consolidate and continue higher. That's kind of the general sense there. So again, I'll just go ahead and send out the playout charts here for this coin through our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Comment below, please. Let me know what your thoughts are on this coin. What do you plan to do with it? And even more so, jump on over to our newest, best exchange. If you have a KYC and VPN fears, look no further. You have no KYC, no VPN requirements. That's why we partner with them, obviously, to make sure that we get some good benefits to our members and they have some healthy rewards for newbies. So again, check that out. Let me know if you like that exchange. They've been fantastic to me over the last few months. I've been really liking them out. And I'll get some instructional videos out soon too, just so you guys know. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one.